Hi, Barbara.Reagan with Long and Foster Realtors. Have you fallen in love with Richmond's beautiful historic homes? Maybe it's in the Fan, Church Hill, the North Side. The charm is undeniable. Hardwood floors, detailed trim, tall ceilings, and beautiful front porches. But if you're 55 or older and planning to stay in your next home for the next 10 years, or even the rest of your life, there are a few things you should know before making an offer. So today, I'm sharing some of the things you should look for so that you won't have to spend thousands later. More Americans are choosing to stay in their homes rather than moving into retirement communities. This means your next home needs to work for you today and 10 or 20 years from now. Historic Richmond homes are gorgeous, but they were built before modern accessibility standards even existed. A little planning today can save you tens of thousands later. So the first thing I recommend, can you live entirely on one floor? Primary bedroom, full bath, laundry room, kitchen, and living room all on one floor is ideal. Even if you can climb stairs today, your future self may appreciate having everything within easy reach. Next, pay attention to the entrance. Homes in Richmond have beautiful front porches, but also lots of stairs. So look for a level walkway, minimal steps, a rear entrance that could accommodate a ramp, attached or nearby parking. Next, look at the bathrooms. Older bathrooms tend to be very small. So ask yourself, could this bathroom eventually fit a walk-in shower? Could grab bars be installed? Is there enough room to maneuver safely? Expanding a bathroom later may require moving plumbing or walls, which can become expensive quickly. Next, think about the things you can't see. Beautiful kitchen doesn't matter much if the electrical system is over 100 years old. Check the panel box, plumbing, heating and cooling, roof, foundation. There may be galvanized pipes, cast iron plumbing, outdated wiring, aging HVAC systems. Think about location. If it's in a historic district, are there ordinances that will limit what you can do with the exterior of the house, with things like windows, roof, doors, additions? Always find out what the restrictions are before buying, and don't forget to do the inspections. The money spent on inspections can save you from very expensive surprises later on. Remember, the older homes you find in many of the Richmond neighborhoods offer incredible character and wonderful neighborhoods. But the best home isn't always the prettiest one. It's the home with solid bones, updated systems, and a layout that will continue to work for you as your needs change. If you're thinking about buying an older home in the city of Richmond and want help finding one that's beautiful and practical for aging in place, I'd love to help. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and leave your comments below. This is Barbara.Reagan with Long and Foster Realtors, your Richmond Senior Real Estate Specialist. Have a great day.